We are. The airline trail. We're gonna walk that right there. Yeah. And this one right here is gonna be junked. It's overstuffed ass car, trashed inside the car, Volkswagen Beetle. So it's got some bullet holes in there. We did some shooting with the pellet gun. Y'all remember this van, didn't you? Y'all remember this van? This is the Bohemia 15-passenger van. Yes, she is going to. We cut the roof off. We burnt her. Yep. She's on the trailer with the F-250. The F-250 is actually home. I mean F-350. Yeah. Here she is. She's gone. They're cleaning the car up on top. Scrapping her. Look at the little fly.